What's going on? It's the Green Dot Whisperer. We're back again, guys. Algo. Got to give you an update on Algo. I'm going to make it quick, simple, sweet, straight to the point. Yeah, we've been on a downturn. We've been in a bear market. A lot of people, especially in my Telegram group, Chart Champions. I'm going to leave a link below so you could join that, so you could be updated every day. Where I'm in Chart Champions every single day. And my work gets in between me trying to do these YouTubes full time. I mean, I wish I could do this full time. I wish this was my full time job, but it's not there yet. So yeah, I'm sorry for the delay. I wanted to do this like 2 days ago, but here I am, and we're gonna continue to do it. I'm gonna continue to give you as much information as I can. But if you want to be updated every single day, join Chart Champions is the best way to communicate. So like I said, the link of that is in the description below. Algo. What have we been doing? So last time when we was all happy and celebrating and everybody had nothing to complain about, that's when we was around this time, February 12th. And that price around February 12th, this is just a recap, was at 186. So, and then from that day on, we proceeded to bleed. Look at that downtrend. And we are now currently floating around, not floating around, we are at the dollar, $1.04 right now. So, all right, interesting bid fit. I did average down. I did buy about 3 times, very small amounts, not even my big huge amounts, because I honestly feel like we could still continue to bleed, unfortunately. Like it's fighting back upwards right now, but look at this. It wicked on this day right here. This is an important day. 22nd of February. It wicked. What is that? 52 cents. It wicked 52 cents, guys. And there's no way that probably went down there. Actually, not probably. I was watching it. It went down there super quick for a few seconds. If you didn't have a buy limit set, that you go in on your Coinbase Pro and say, hey, instead of be like, I want to buy it at the golden zone, the fib golden zone, and that's at 56 cents, you would have actually gotten it. These guys got super lucky right here. They're actually already at a 50% return. And because they set a buy limit and they sniped that one. Congratulations for those guys that caught anything below below $1 pretty much. Yeah. Anything below $1 was when I bought. I bought in 3 different lots. I think I got the highest one I paid for was in the 90 range. The second one was in the 80 range. And then my friend sent me Algo. Nice guy, Cryptocardi. Come meet him in Chart Champions. But I'm still haven't dropped my big amount. And this is why. So this is the day chart that we was looking at and analyzing. You can see the RSI oversold, the ready cracked down. We're kind of in the middle. And you see the wave oscillator, red dot, like a little bit later, actually, 2 days late. I mean, you wouldn't have lost everything, but I mean, I took a little hit. That's why I don't go by the day chart. If you're trying to be safe, you might want to look at smaller frames before that prints. So yeah, so I mean, this is nice right here. If we get a green dot, that actually might be a good potential shoot up, because this is around the VWAP area right here, and that could be a potential MJ. So MJ meaning is when the green dot prints on the yellow VWAP right here. We call that a Michael Jordan. We call that an MJ because that's a power play. That's a pop upwards. So you could see this kind of pop up if we get that green dot, but it's very possible we could continue to dip lower than that. Now, why do I say that? See, MACD over here crossed, right? But if this MACD goes down and touches this histogram, then we're going down. Then we're probably going to be like chilling at 80 cents, 70 cents, pretty much 70 cents or lower. We could be hanging out at the 50 cents realm where everybody else is already up 50%. Because I mean, if this continues to move down, you got to keep an eye on this MACD. If it continues to move down and hits that histogram, yeah, you best believe we're going to bleed some more. And this is why. Right here, look, this is a 3-day chart. This is not even your week chart. Your week chart hasn't even crossed or came down. Or You know what I mean? So 3-day, yeah, we haven't even crossed downward here. We're not even in a bearish territory per se on the 3-day chart, because this has to cross down, then that's a bearish diversion. And once it crosses down, if it touches that histogram, like I said on the day chart, we're bleeding. We're going to bleed out, and we might be able to see prices like 70, 50 cents. But I'm actually okay with it. Because guys, you got to remember, I don't tether out of Algo. I don't tether out. I don't go try to save my value in a DAI coin or a tether coin, because that would mess up my rewards, my staking rewards. And Coinbase pays you 6% to stake. So if you take that out, right now I'm not. I told you I put 3 small lots in, but I'm always putting in that reward stake. That's compounding my returns, compounding my profits, basically. So I let it be, because when this shoots back up and turns back up, it's going to be with a few days worth of rewards already from the staking. So that actually is a buffer to you losing. Because if you're getting 6% per year, right? Per year, APR, and Algo went down 3% for the year, let's say, you're technically still at a 3% profit because of your staking. You know what I mean? So technically speaking, in the year time frame, you have to be below -6 in order to be negative on Algo. It's kind of the same theory that applies to my dividend stocks. So no, I stay in Algo. I'm here for the long term. This is a good green dot. This is the 4-hour. This is very promising. It looks like it's going to cross up. You wanted to see this VWAP cross that SMA. So it might bring us back up to $1.34. I know some people are crying. They want to see it come back already, but I'm excited every time it goes down. I love bloody days, honestly. I love bloody days. I'm excited. But yeah, so your 1 hour, it's trying to kick up. It's doing its best to kick up, guys. It's trying to like come back to life. All day today, it's been printing green dots. Look, this is not good. This is a red dot 30-minute. Nah. It's trying to fight back. And this is the promising for everybody that wants it to come back already. This is the promising area right here. 4 hour, it looked like it was going to dip because it had a red dot. That red dot with under that VWAP is a bad sell-off. So that's a good thing to see, a green dot over there. My mother's calling. Doesn't she know I'm recording on YouTube? Jesus, Mom. All right. 6 hour. Green dot. And it hasn't changed. It hasn't faked out neither. So that's very promising. 7 hour. Green dot. So for the guys that want this to flip up, I mean, there's strength. There's momentum on your side. By all means, there's definitely momentum on your side. We have it up to 8 hour right here. So if this continues climbing, then you could get your good bull case picture on the day chart if it can, because you saw it was an 8 hour green dot that's going to go to 9, 10, 11, 12, all the way up to when you hit 24. Now it's printing on the day. And on the day chart, this gets printed every day at 7 p.m. when the VWAP resets. I'm positive about that. So if it continues to climb, you guys are going to get that actual MJ, which would be a nice bounce back up. So all the bulls would be happy because we'll be floating maybe right around this level. This looks like the last time of consolidation. So about $1.32. So definitely keep an eye on that. So if you're a bull and you want it to come up like right now, you're waiting for that green dot. If you're a bear, kind of like me, sorry to say, I love Algo. I'm a long-term holder, so I haven't changed my opinion here. I actually want it to be a little bit more cheaper so I could be a bigger owner of Algo, so I could buy more. So, because if you're a bear case guy, you're actually waiting for this to cross down on the 3-day. And if you're a bull, you want the green dot on the day because it's climbing on the 8 hour and up. See that? And that was, so that right there, since it printed so long ago, really, the 23rd of February on 1900. So that's 7 p.m. for US, guys. Yeah, so that means it probably printed on a 9 and everything else. So only time will tell, guys. But please do not panic. please remember you're getting a staking reward. Please remember that that's a buffer or hedge against your losses. All right. Green Dot Whisper wanted to calm people's nerves because, you know, people like, oh, God, I woke up and I was down so much. You know, it's part of the game, guys. This is trading. So it goes up and down. The crypto market has always been volatile. I don't think it's going to be as crazy as before. As more institutions come and accept it, it's going to stabilize at some point. But hang on. Don't get nervous. Don't get crazy. We're still here. All right. All right, Mom. I'm going to call you. I'm going to end the video now. Stay blessed, guys. I hope I helped you guys out. Like always, don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out. Peace.